let's discuss the difference between single attached and single detached. By the way, we could hear the humming of the birds there. So napaka-peaceful dito, no?
Yes,
We are still in the city, but yun nga na, parang very laid back din tayo, no? Ayan. Very nature tayo. You could see the humming of the birds here. So, going back, again, naano lang ako with the birds.
Oo nga.
The single
Nagpapansin.
attached. Oo nga. The single attached and single detached,
Yes,
sir. So, pag sinabing single attached, which is sample yung sa Opal natin,
Yes,
we have the firewall.
Yes,
Pero, pag single attached, no, wala ka pa din naman katabi. It's just that meron lang siyang firewall.
Yes.
Look at our back
Model.
ng model unit. Meron lang siyang firewall. Pero, wala kang katabi technically or ka-adjacent na unit na tawag dito, yung sobrang magkadikit. Hindi siya. So, you still have a space actually, no, dito for like your carport,
For the parking. Yan.
parking,
Pwede yan.
ganyan, garden,
Yes,
or sometimes, sir, for those client na naghahanap na in the future mag-expand, they could
They-
put another room here.
Exactly. For the
Yun.
expansion.
Yep. So, that's single attached.